Hi, welcome to our channel Shah Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to convert a date into year with the help of VBA. So first, let's see a very short demo. After that, we will learn how to create it. So first, select any one or two date and then click on this button, convert date to year, and you can see this date is converted into year. Now we will understand how to write the VBA code for this conversion. So first we have to open the VBA application. For that, press Alt and F11. Now go to Insert menu and click the module. And here we will write this subroutine. So first type here sub convert date to year. Now we will declare a range. Type dim RNG as range. And now we will create a loop to check whether the dates within the selection is date or not. If it is date, then we will convert that date into year, else not. For that, to create a loop, type for each range is RNG in selection, and here we close this with next RNG, so to create the loop. Now here we will check whether the range has the date or not. So if is date within bracket RNG equal to true, then close end if, and within if we will type with RNG. That means if the RNG is date, then we will do this with RNG dot value. This value of the RNG will be year. This is the formula to convert date to year. So our date will be the value of RNG. So type here RNG. Then we have to format the number. So for that, type number format equal to within quotation 0. This is for the number, and here we will close end field. Now let's check. So go to this Excel, and we will have to create a button for that, and right click and assign macro and select convert date to year. Okay, now select, and if you click here, you can see it is converted to year. So I hope you have understood how to write this subroutine. But if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely reply to all your queries. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends and colleagues. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support our hard work. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.